Welcome to our documentary on how the post-pandemic COVID-19 has impacted the food system in Malaysia and how we can address these challenges to create a healthier and more sustainable future. In this video, we will hear from various stakeholders who play a crucial role in shaping our food system.
The pandemic has hit us hard. With movement restrictions and disruptions to the supply chain, we cannot do our job and our livelihoods have been severely affected. We have struggled to sell our produce, resulting in financial losses. Many of us had to find alternative ways to distribute our products, such as direct sales or online platforms such through Facebook and WhatsApp. And now we have to spend some money to sell the produce from house to house. However, these changes were not easy and we need support to adapt to the new normal.
The pandemic has exposed vulnerability, including unequal access to nutritious food, fragility in agriculture and fisheries, and the need for improved food safety measures in our food system. We need to strengthen our policy and regulation to ensure the food security and resilience. This including supporting farmers and fishermen with financial aid, infrastructure development, and access to market. We also need to promote sustainable farming practices and invest in research and development for new technology.
NGOs have played a crucial role in addressing food insecurities during the pandemic. We have been working to provide emergency food assistance, especially to vulnerable communities. Moving forward, we must focus on long-term solutions by advocating for equitable food distribution, supporting local food production, and promoting sustainable farming practices. Collaboration between NGOs, government agencies, and other stakeholders is key to achieving these goals.
The pandemic has highlighted the importance of healthy diet in maintaining a strong immune system. We as dietitians need to educate the public about the benefits of nutritious food and the risks of unhealthy eating habits as we work with individuals who may have experienced changes in their eating habits during the pandemic. We will provide counseling and support to promote positive relationships with food and to address any nutritional deficiencies that may have arisen.
As food and beverages representative, we were also severely affected by the COVID-19. Strategies included a shifting to online and delivery services, menu adjustment to adapt with changing consumer preferences are the barriers that we had to overcome post-COVID-19. Since COVID-19 hit us, we had to improvise our menu to become more healthy and dense with nutrients by still utilizing local sourcing. Flexibility and customer satisfaction are still our main priority despite these challenges.
As consumers, we have the power to drive change by making informed choices, supporting local producers, and demanding healthy options. We can shape the future of our food systems. We must also be aware of the environmental impact of our food choices and strive for more sustainable and eco-friendly systems.
The post-pandemic era presents an opportunity to transform our food system in Malaysia. By collaborating and addressing the challenges faced by farmers, policymakers, NGO, health professionals, industry and the public, we can build a resilient system that supports healthy diet for all. Together, let's nourish Malaysia and create a brighter future for generations to come.